हाय ऑल, वेलकम टू न्यूट्रिशन क्लब बाय अनामिका। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक के बारे में। एंड आर यू अवेयर दैट इट टेक्स 21 डेज टू फॉर्म अ हैबिट एंड 90 डेज टू मेक इट अ लाइफस्टाइल? क्या आपको पता है कि किसी भी हैबिट को फॉर्म करने के लिए 21 डेज लगते हैं और 90 डेज लगते हैं उसको एक लाइफस्टाइल में चेंज करने के लिए? येस, दिस इज़ ट्रू। अगर आप कोई डाइट प्लान फॉलो कर रहे हैं, माई रिकमेंडेशन इज़ उस डाइट प्लान पर एटलीस्ट 21 डेज तक चीट मत करिए। ओके और अगर आप कोई डाइट प्लान अभी नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं, देन यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट अस एंड वी विल डिज़ाइन अ कस्टमाइज डाइट प्लान फॉर यू। ओके अगर आप कोई कस्टमाइज डाइट प्लान अभी नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो आप हमें कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, हम आपके लिए एक कस्टमाइज डाइट प्लान डिज़ाइन करेंगे। So, yeah, why I say that, if you are following a diet, don't cheat on it for at least 21 days. 21 days तक उसके बीच में कोई जंक फूड नहीं खाइए. That is because मेरा ऐसा मानना है, my opinion is, if we break our habit in between those 21 days, okay, जो हम healthy eating की habit develop करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, if we break that habit of healthy eating in between those 21 days, then somewhere we break the momentum and somewhere we break our mindset also. Okay, and to gain back that mindset again and to gain back that momentum again, it takes lot of discipline, it takes lot of effort, and it takes lot of willpower as well. Okay, so at least follow that for 21 days, and after that अगर आपको ऑब्वियसली जब हम कंटिन्यूसली हेल्दी खाते हैं, हो सकता है आपका कोई ऐसा फेवरेट फूड हो जो कि आपके डाइट में इंक्लूडेड ना हो, बिकॉज इट इज़ बिकॉज इट गेट्स इनटू द जंक फूड साइड. ओके, हो सकता है आपको अपने डाइट प्लान के बीच में मन कर रहा हो समोसा खाने का, कचौरी खाने का, मे बी यू वांट टू ईट बिरयानीज और यू वांट टू ईट रसगुल्लास, सम स्वीट्स. ओके, पूरी, पराठा, छोले भटूरे, muffin, pastry. Okay, so what to do in those cases if you want to eat such things in between your diet? Then I would recommend, if you want to eat these things, uh, plan one meal in a week and make that meal a cheat meal. Okay, for example, अगर आपको ये मफ़िन खाने का मन कर रहा है, okay, if you want to eat this muffin, then you can eat this once a week in one meal. Okay, those foods, in this video I am calling those foods as cheat meals, which are kind of junk food and which cannot be put as a part of your diet. Okay, so if you want to enjoy biryani, if you want to enjoy samosa or kachori or chole bhature, you can decide one meal in a week, and you can have that in that one meal in limited portion size. Okay, so for example, if you want to eat biryani, you can enjoy your biryani on Sunday lunch. Okay, say one bowl of biryani, but that does not mean that on Sunday you will eat rasgullas also, biryani also, samosa also, pizza also, and you will make it a cheat day. Don't go for a cheat day, don't make any day a cheat day. Okay, you are allowed to have cheat meals in a week one time, but you are not allowed to make cheat days. Okay, अपना एक पूरा दिन अपना डाइट ख़राब मत कीजिए. ओके, एंड इवन इफ़ यू हैव प्लान फॉर अ चीट मील, अगर आप एक चीट मील प्लान कर रहे हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपको समोसा खाना है सैटरडे इवनिंग को, ओके, देन मेक श्योर कि आपका एंटायर डे का जो डाइट है, योर एंटायर डे डाइट is within the calorie range that has been specified for you. Okay, calories को exceed करके आपका डाइट नहीं जाना चाहिए. ओके, जो भी कैलोरीज आपकी स्पेसिफाइड की गई हैं उनसे ज़्यादा नहीं होनी चाहिए, आपकी चीट मील भी उसके अंदर ही आनी चाहिए. ओके, now what happens when we eat biryani after so many days? Okay, we want to help us with one more serving, हमें और थोड़ा खाने का मन करता है. ओके, सो इफ़ यू थिंक कि आपने जितना पोर्शन अपने लिए प्लान किया था विद इन योर कैलोरी लिमिट, उतना आप खा चुके हैं. ओके, इफ़ यू फील दैट यू हैव ऑलरेडी ईटन द पोर्शन साइज विच यू हैड प्लान फॉर योर सेल्फ within your calorie limit for the biryani, and if you feel that you want to have more biryani, then what you will do at this point of time, you should engage yourself in some activity that is very urgent and important, so that so that your mind gets distracted from that biryani, and then after some time you will not have that craving for that biryani. Okay, so get yourself involved in some activity at that point of time when you think that you want to have extra junk food. Okay, you can start working on some important office project, or you can just go in the corridor and have a walk. Okay, or you can start talking to, you know, a friend, so that your mind gets distracted. Okay, also, yeah, this was about the cheat meals. Okay, and if I talk about me I mean how you would control your portion sizes when you are at the beginning of your diet. Okay, usually what happens, people are used to eating, say for example, 2 to 3 bowls of rice. If someone is used to eating say 2 to 3 bowls of rice, or if someone is used to eating say 4 or 5 chapatis in one meal, and when they are recommended with one, or like 1 cup of rice, or say 2 chapatis, then initially it takes them much effort to convince themselves that they would be full with that much amount of, you know, rice or chapati. Okay, so if you think that you know, you are not convinced in your mind to implement your portion control. Okay, then I have a trick for you. I have read this from experts, and I have heard these from experts. So weight loss experts, they suggest that you know, in the beginning, if you want to implement your portion control, visualize in your mind how much you want to eat. Visualize if you want to eat 4 chapatis or 5 chapatis. Okay, so if your mind says that you want to eat 4 chapatis, okay, then put exactly half of that in your plate. Okay, serve yourself half of that. Okay, put 2 chapatis in your plate. Okay, and chew your food properly. Okay, take time to chew your food, and eat that eat those 2 chapatis by taking double the time of what you would have actually taken. Okay, and even after that, if you are feeling hungry, okay, if you feel that no, I want more of the chapati, okay, then again repeat this process. Visualize in your mind how much more you want to eat. If you are visualizing, okay, I want to eat one more chapati, then again serve yourself half of that. That means take half of that chapati. Okay, and again eat it in double of the time of what you would have actually taken. ओके अगर मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ तो अगर आपको पोर्शन साइजेस कंट्रोल करने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो वेट लॉस एक्सपर्ट्स ये सजेस्ट करते हैं कि आप अपने माइंड में सोचिए कि आप कितना खाना चाहते हैं. अगर आप 4 चपाती खाना चाहते हैं तो आप अपने आप को 2 ही चपाती प्लेट में रखिए पहले. ओके, और उस 2 चपाती को डबल टाइम में फिनिश कीजिए जितना आपका ओरिजिनल ईटिंग टाइम है उससे. ओके, उसके बाद भी अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको भूख लगी है, फिर अगेन आप अपने माइंड में सोचिए कि आपको कितना और खाना है. ओके, अगर आप 1 चपाती और खाना चाहते हैं, देन आधी चपाती अपने प्लेट पे रखिए और उसको डबल टाइम में फिनिश कीजिए. ओके, अपने फूड को च्यू कीजिए. ओके, और then you can repeat this process if you are still hungry. But I believe that after serving yourself twice, nobody will be left hungry. The reason is because it takes 20 minutes for our brain to register that the body is not hungry anymore, it is full. Okay, so if you are taking the time to chew your food properly, that is why experts suggest that take double the time to eat your food. Okay, so if you are taking the time to chew your food properly, you are not only facilitating digestion, you are also helping yourself by giving brain the time to realize that you are full. Okay, और एक बात जो ध्यान देने वाली है, these days it is very common. I have seen kids that they would demand that some video has to be played on mobile or laptop and then they would eat. Okay, this is a problem with multiple kids. Okay, and this is not only a problem with kids, but even adults are used to such a lifestyle. Okay, People sometimes have their dinner watching TV, watching movies, watching serials, or chatting on WhatsApp, or they are into some or the other digital device while eating their food. What happens due to this is that um, they are so much into the device that they are not able to realize that when they are full. Okay, कभी कभी तो ऐसा होता है, to finish a cereal they would take one extra serving of chapati, so that they can finish that cereal while eating their dinner. Okay, so no, this is something I don't advise. Okay, keep the gadgets away while having your dinner. अभी भी बहुत सारी जगह ये एक प्रैक्टिस है. देर इज़ अ प्रैक्टिस लाइक पीपल ऑफर देयर प्रेयर्स बिफोर दिस स्टार्ट हैविंग देयर फूड, विच इज़ अ वेरी गुड प्रैक्टिस. ओके, so show respect towards your food and keep your digital devices away while having your food, so that you can eat mindfully, you can eat consciously. Okay, you can use that time to talk with your family probably. Okay, um, yeah, and keeping those digital devices away, it will help you in realizing better when you are full. Okay, and don't overeat. Okay, this will help in making sure that you don't overeat. Okay, so this was all regarding today's video, and I'll see you again in my next video.